Crunch, 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 my favorite treat. Banana, yellow, peel it down. Eat it up, don't wear a frown. Grapes so round, purple or green, best little fruits I've ever seen. Mango juicy, soft and bright, eat in the morning or at night. Orange round with zesty smell, juicy drops we love so well. Strawberry red with tiny seeds, sweet and fresh for all our needs. Watermelon big and cool, slice it up, it's picnic rule. Pineapple tall with spiky crown, cut it up and pass it around. Fruity, fruity, yum, yum, yum. Come on, sons, let's have some fun. Clap your hands and sing with me. Fruits are tasty, A to Z.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!
A, B, C, come sing with me. Clap your hands and count to 3. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for banana, I like it in bread. C is for cake, so sweet and neat. D is for duck with happy feet. E is for elephant, big and round. F is for flower, growing from the ground. G is for grapes, purple or green. H is for horse, the fastest you've seen. A, B, C, come sing with me. Clap your hands and count to 3. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jam on breaded rolls. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for mango, juicy and sweet. N is for nest, for birds and bees. O is for orange, tasty and bright. P is for penguin with feet so wide. A, B, C, come sing with me. Clap their hands and count to 3. Q is for quail, tiny and shy. R is for rainbow, up in the sky. S is for strawberry, red and bright. T is for turtle, slow in the night. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for van, waving goodbye. W is for watermelon, pink inside. X is for xylophone, top with pride. Y is for yak, furry and strong. Z is for zebra, singing along. Now we've sung from A to Z. You did great, hooray for me. A, B, C, come sing with me. Clap your hands and count to round.
Sing with Baby Melon, hip hip hooray!